Hi, I'm Abby Coulter. I am class of 2028 and I participated in the Summer Game Studio in 2023. I have always loved video games and I grew up on them. I love making characters and I thought that making video game characters would be like the perfect mix of both worlds. It was admittedly nerve-wracking because I'd never done anything like that, never like sleepaway camps or anything. When I got there, it was set up so you went up and moved in like college. Because there were a significant amount of students that had no experience, like myself, with coding, the professors were good at determining where the skill level was for the group, and you were able to like split off into groups and get help separately. I worked on a point-and-click game called Last Resort. It was like a 1920s retro type of game. I did environment, characters, items, pretty much any art. I definitely had my work cut out for me. I loved the program, and I was like, well, if the classes are going to be like this, that'll be great, and so far they have been exactly like the camp was. I know it's scary, I was nervous, but it was a really great experience and I wish I could do it again.